How to fix Canon printer error code 6800. So this usually means a general printer error. On some Pixma models, Canon says to power cycle the printer first. So we can go ahead and show you a few methods on how to fix this. So first thing you can do is to turn off the printer. So press the power button and wait until the printer fully shuts down. You can also unplug it from power, remove the power cord from the wall outlet and from the printer. Then you're gonna have to wait around 2 to 5 minutes. You can also check for paper jams or objects, so you can open up the cover and check the paper tray, the rear feed, the output area, and inside the path for stock paper, labels, clips, or any kind of small debris that could be stopping the printer itself. Then you can plug it back in and restart. Reconnect the power cord directly to a wall outlet, then turn the printer on again. If the error does come back after resetting or checking for jams, Canon's official manual does say to contact a Canon service center for repair or something similar to that to hopefully avoid any further damage. But hopefully this video can help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.